This is a part of a series of myself switching into Blender and learning it in no time. The beauty of getting into Blender is it has multiple dimensions. It's not boring. It does not take a lot of memory. Your computer is not going to hang, and you can customize it and you can do so many wonders. But at the same time, one has to be really proficient to start and execute a project and understand the beauty of doing things in three dimensions in a software like Blender. Blender is really amazing. And this particular project is one of the project on under execution in Kathmandu hospital. And I shall be doing all of my most of my illustration stuffs in Blender. Then I thought, why don't I put it for any young architect around the world to switch into Blender in no time and enjoy their design at the end of the day. Love you all. Bye bye.